when designing a roof system, one of the first things they should be asking themselves with their owner is this building going to be FM insured? And if that building is FM insured, now you start to look at those attributes that are designed and tested by FM that qualify for that roof system. If it's not FM insured, then you have a little bit less complexity associated with designing that roof system, and the aid of the system manufacturer or any system manufacturer and their representatives are able to help you out in that process. When it comes to construction types, there are differences regionally between east and west, north and south. For example, in the West Coast, you'll typically find wood construction for deck types. In those type of scenarios where you have combustible decks and you're trying to achieve certain code standards, you'll want to reach out to USG folks such as myself or other technical folks or even our regional managers out in the field to be able to aid you in understanding what those differences are.